easier one and only lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. And today's topic now, two topic now I want join together. Now I want do today, my darling people. I beg more help me listening to the from the starting to the ending, because some things they happen for this world, things they read they happen for this world, my darling people. One small girl, one family cry out. They say they need justice for their pikin. Why they need justice for their pikin be say a matured man wey be say old man, wey be say a old man wey suppose go to look for mature girl when he go follow. E can't be saying a small girl now e go dey dwellize, my darling people. Why e be say some men dey wicked like this? Why some people dey wicked like this? How can a matured man go just wake up in the morning and to the Jogodo small children now go come dey e high? Now wow. Things dey this world, oh my darling people. I go put the video more now listing where the small pikin be come dey talk wetin the man do am. How can a matured man go just pass everybody for this world? Say na small girl na you come dey Jogodo with. This one shock me, oh my darling people.
Papa Casoles come because I won't go. Night round to drag for his leg. Because I want to drag because that will shoot and turn my private part. You won't let out of my body. Say you let out of my body. As one let out my body. Give me as one let out my body. Not show it what's given. Let me say rock was got seven. My mom cousin as whether I go back for cook on the couch, my body cold. So I can't go to my mom got to my dad. The next morning I don't come for the crap. The next morning I don't come for rest my house. The God carry the rest night. The God carry confirm my success. I don't want us to confirm my sin.
When I go there with my people of peace, now I go there with my people of peace. Now all of them they say I can't attack me. Beat is that. It's me the killer. Beat is that. I said they tell me it's me the kimi. Before I know the hand where they pay me where they pay when I hold this man. Before I know the hand where they pay me where they pay when I hold this man. Now they use other than go in and the money they take to manage my children. And when I the money they take to manage my children. Today where I say na money they call me go up. They walk past me. They call me go up. People they walk past me. I dey walk even at 7,000 I see. My children they manage 7,000 I see. My children they manage the job. Now they pay the feed them for. This has not been another thief anybody. I know they find anybody. I know they cause anybody. I know they find anybody job. I know they cause anybody. When they attack me for them, I will knock this hand. When they attack me for them, I will knock this hand. This hand now is just this hand. As you see, this hand no good. Let me see this hand. All my family when they know say this hand. All my family when they know say this hand. When they pick me for them, that they know this one. When they pick me for them, that they know this one. When they defend me, I say na woman affair. I see. Make a go. That's okay. Which I will make a go. Like where so if I go there, so if I go there, now they are going but I don't have to have some as well. If I do work, I don't do work. If I do have to sleep, I don't keep my shy. If you buy it, the guest spot if you buy it, the guest spot now my money, my papa name. And where we just get and where we just get the misbill now, no name is good like that before. Where this get the misbill? Where this get the misbill? If you call out for where the misbill? Even my wife, I know the fire. Even my wife, when I know the way people that way, I don't know how my wife take. Even shop with my family. Money where I shop with my family. Money where I spend for this spending. And then now the For this street, they laugh. Let's see what they want. But now, they're going to carry 15,000. But now, they're going to carry 15,000. Police go tell come from my wife. Police go tell come from my wife. That's my wife come from my wife. That's me look at father money. Me look at money. Make her go state. So me I gather my money. Make her go state. As I do this one for work now, woman affair. As I do woman affair, woman affair correct. Statement where everything test where they do. Woman affair collect. I will follow back with them. I will follow back with them. They give me the paper. Me I will not to make the one deal with me. They say no. I did not agree. I can't come on. I did not agree. I can't come on. This matter constitution. I know this matter will be like. I don't know them. This man. I didn't do pay. This man. My manager. There's one. Too many rubbish for my head. Too many rubbish for my head. Sorry for the people. Sorry for the people. I did the king. Nothing. They deform Uga.
Oh, my darling people, things dey this world. Oh, and the man a poor man will be say, you no even get power on your own, you no fit do anything. Ah, why e be say some people be like this? Why people dey wicked like this? Eh? Why people dey wicked like this? E no good. E no good. Mona listen to wetin this lady talk. People dey wicked.
This video is for my colleagues in the Yoruba industry. We all heard what happened to Baba Ijesha about the rape issue. And since yesterday or so, I've been seeing a lot of posts, people using Baba Ijesha's pictures and writing stuff. Some are saying he was framed. Some are saying we should wait. Some are saying this and that. I just want to beg my colleagues, please, in no way should we try to defend him. Because this is one of the reasons why a lot of girls that are being molested, a lot of boys that are being molested and raped. Because not only a girl child gets raped, a boy child too gets raped. This is the reason why a lot of them don't come out to voice their opinion. Most especially if they've been molested or raped by a prominent person or a known person or someone in power or a popular person. We always have this thing about, why did she say that? Maybe because she was this way, or because the mother did not do that. We always try to look for an excuse. There is no excuse for rape. There is no excuse for molestation. Yes, we cannot judge him now because you know why? We have to leave that to the courts to do, the judges to do. So until we wait for the final verdict, until we wait to listen to everything that goes on in the courts back and forth, please do not ask them to post that video because a minor is involved. A 14-year-old girl is involved in that picture. And if you are a mother or a father, I don't think you want your child's video where she is being molested parading the internet. I don't think you want that because they take my brain. And it's annoying when I see people come on social media and they're trying to defend and saying he was set up, blah, 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 blah. Excuse me. There is a 14-year-old girl involved. Are you guys okay? Can you people just be okay for once? And please stop comparing Baba Sue's case to this case. It's two different things. I'm doing this video because I'm seeing a lot of my colleagues in the Yoruba industry, you know, trying kind of to defend and say it was set up. Please, Joe. If you don't know the story, go and find out about the story.
My darling people, more na watch this video and leave una comments. Wetin una think about this video, I beg. This family need justice. Family will never fit see food they eat. Now I can see money take fight this case, I beg. Because this thing is really getting too much. For a matured mate to the Jogodo children, we get children, I beg. Anybody wey know say go fit really fight for this family, I beg. Mona look for their contact. Mona fight for them. Thank you, my darling. Please share this video, please. This video is really important. Please share the video. That hand where you go to share, I know will cost you anything, and God will bless that hand where you go to share the video. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.